Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever felt like your money just disappears into a black hole? You work hard, but when it comes to saving or paying off debt, things just seem to stall. Well, you're not alone. Millions of people struggle with managing their finances, and that's where budgeting apps come in. Today, we're diving deep into pocketguard, a popular budgeting app that promises to help you take control of your finances. But here's the thing. pocketguard comes in two flavors, a free version and a paid subscription called pocketguard Plus. So, the big question is, which one is right for you? The free pocketguard, your financial fitness tracker. Think of the free pocketguard as your personal finance gym membership. It offers a solid foundation for getting in budgeting shape. Here's what you get. Transaction tracking. Connect your bank accounts and watch your spending magically categorize itself. No more manual entry, hallelujah. Finds hidden fees. pocketguard is like a financial bloodhound, sniffing out sneaky subscription fees you might have forgotten about. It helps you cancel those money vampires and free up some cash. Bills and upcoming expenses. Never miss a bill payment again. pocketguard keeps track of your upcoming bills and lets you know when they're due. Spending insights. Get a clear picture of where your money goes. See which categories are draining your wallet and identify areas to cut back. Savings goals. Set realistic savings goals for that dream vacation or emergency fund. pocketguard tracks your progress and keeps you motivated. So, the free version packs a punch. But is it enough? pocketguard Plus, supercharge your budgeting. Let's be honest, sometimes the free gym membership just doesn't cut it. That's where pocketguard Plus comes in. It's like hiring a personal finance trainer to take your budgeting to the next level. Here's what the Plus plan unlocks. Unlimited budgeting. The free version limits you to a certain number of categories and goals. Plus lets you create as many as you need for ultimate financial organization. Debt payoff plan. Struggling with debt? Plus creates a personalized debt payoff plan to help you crush those balances faster. Cash tracking. Dealing with cash? Plus lets you track your cash spending alongside your bank accounts for a complete financial picture. Import and export transactions. Need to move your data from another app? Plus allows you to import and export transactions seamlessly. Customizable categories. Want to categorize your spending in a way that works for you? Plus lets you create your own custom categories. Free versus Plus, making the right choice. Now, the million-dollar question, is pocketguard Plus worth the upgrade? Here's the honest truth, the free version is fantastic for anyone starting their budgeting journey. It helps you track spending, identify leaks, and set basic goals. But if you're serious about getting hyper-organized, tackling debt, or dealing with cash, then Plus offers invaluable features. Think of it like this. Are you happy with a brisk walk on the treadmill, or do you crave a personalized workout plan with a dedicated trainer? The bottom line. pocketguard, in both its free and paid versions, is a powerful tool to take charge of your finances. Trying the free version is a no-brainer. It lets you see if the app resonates with you and your budgeting style. If you find yourself craving more control and advanced features, then upgrading to Plus might be the perfect way to unlock your full financial potential. Ultimately, the choice is yours. But remember, a budget is only as good as you make it. So, take control, explore pocketguard, and watch your finances transform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.